This is Concerto in A minor first movement by Vivaldi. We're going to do some practice sections at a very slow speed. We're going to do this one here to here, and then we'll do this one up here. Remember, we're in the key of C. Always try to practice your accidentals and such while you're practicing it very slow, just so that that's always ingrained in there. Also, with this first section, you can add in the dynamics as you go to when you're playing very slowly. We'll kind of demonstrate that. So, okay. The next section would be okay. So on that, you're going to make sure you shift into third position there. It's helpful when you're practicing to shift into third position and the actual note is up there. You're going to practice playing it shift into that third position, leading with that first finger, and then you can put your fourth finger. So if that makes sense. So again, you're going to lead with that third finger because that's the shift into third position, and then you're going to put your fourth finger down. So you don't actually play this note. It's not there. Right? But you're going to shift. You're going to lead with that finger and put your fourth finger down. So that helps you get that shift right in tune, and that helps you learn the distance. So okay, so what fingers touch there? So so 3 and 2 are going to touch. Okay, make sure you do that half step because you're going from a C natural to a B. First position. Now, the music suggests, you see the little bracket from the 3 on the E to the 3 on the A, is to put the finger, your finger on both A and E strings. So when you play this quickly, you don't have to jump. Same thing there. Now on that note there, when you go from the 1 to the 1, 1 on the E string is an F natural. It's a low 1, followed by a B on the A string, which is on the tape. So what they suggest is you can play your low first finger, the F natural, and then you can play your second finger on the first finger tape on the A string as a substitute. So, or you can jump from here to here with your first finger. You just have to remember that it's a diminished fifth. It doesn't go straight across. The others, with the 3 and the 3, they go straight across. So if you put your finger on both strings, if that's something you can do, then that goes straight across, and the 2 as well. 2 to a 2, but the 1 will be a F natural low 1 to a B natural, which would be on that first finger tape. So you can use your second finger there if it's helpful. We're going to start there again, this exercise. Okay, that's another one. We're going to go 3 on the E string, and then the 3 is a D sharp. It's a high third finger. So you can play it, you can jump, you can go 3, and then a high third finger, or you can do and play a fourth finger instead. Okay, so either works there. Okay, so I'll go into that at measure 31. Okay, and those are going to be staccatoed with an accent.